Welcome to StockInvest, your go-to channel for the latest market insights before the opening bell. Today, we will dive into the Senate's recent passage of a major fiscal bill backed by President Trump and what it means for the markets ahead of the opening bell. United States stock futures are pointing higher this morning as investors react to the Senate's approval of a sweeping tax cuts and spending package. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P 500, and NASDAQ futures all show modest gains, reflecting cautious optimism among traders. This significant legislation now moves to the House of Representatives, where Republicans face a tight deadline to secure final approval before July 4th. The bill includes extensions of Trump's 2017 tax cuts, increased defense spending, and border security funding. Despite the bill's passage, some Republican lawmakers remain hesitant, concerned about its impact on the federal debt, which is projected to increase by over $3 trillion. However, Treasury markets have responded calmly, likely due to expectations of potential Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. Speaking of the Federal Reserve, all eyes will be on upcoming economic data to gauge future monetary policy. Today, the ADP National Employment Report is expected to show private payroll growth of 99,000 jobs for June, a jump from May's 37,000. Recent labor market signals have been mixed, with job openings rising unexpectedly in May, but hiring slowing down. Tomorrow's nonfarm payrolls report will provide further clarity on the strength of the United States labor market and influence Federal Reserve decisions. Tariffs remain a major concern for markets, especially with the expiration of the Trump administration's reciprocal tariff pause imminent. Negotiations continue with various countries, but progress has been limited so far. President Trump recently hinted at a potential trade deal with India, which could lower tariffs and benefit American companies. However, he also suggested he might not extend the current tariff pause, raising uncertainty for international trade relations. Meanwhile, oil prices remain subdued as traders assess developments in the Middle East and shifts in United States inventory levels. Brent crude futures are slightly up, while West Texas Intermediate remains steady. The potential Israel-Hamas ceasefire has brought cautious optimism to oil markets, though United States inventories showed a build last week, raising questions about fuel demand during the busy summer travel season. In summary, markets are reacting to a complex mix of fiscal policy, labor data, trade negotiations, and geopolitical events. Investors should stay informed as these factors continue to influence market direction. Thank you for tuning in to Stock Invest for your pre-market briefing. We will keep you updated throughout the day with the latest market movements and economic news. Before you go, make sure to press the notification bell so you never miss an update from StockInvest.